Are you going places or left behind because you don't have a travel companion? Listen to how you can travel more independently. Dr. Travelbest will bring you the best answers, tips, and her mistakes so you can benefit.
Welcome to Dr. Mary Travelbest's Independent Travel Guide. This is for women who travel, who want to travel, and especially for those who want to travel independently. I wrote and published the best-selling book, CD, and website, The World's First Guide to Independent Travel. And since 1993, I've been running a marketing business, raising 4 children with my husband, and been a university professor while traveling. These travel experiences are necessary tools, so I want to share them so you make your trip the very best, like Travel Best. In this episode, the FAQ is, how can I do laundry while on the road? Can you provide some tips? The episode focus is travel independent, spectrum level 2 destinations. And the mistake is timeshares. The tip is flexibility as a traveler. The FAQ, how can I do laundry while on the road? Can you provide some tips? And the answer, laundry can be fun if you approach it like Mary Poppins in A Spoonful of Sugar. You should have a bag or pillowcase for dirty laundry so it doesn't mix with your clean clothes. And you'll want to wash your delicates in the sink if you can and hang them over the sink or tub to dry. Remember that red and blue bleed color, especially the first wash, and wash in the evening so you can let things dry while you sleep. Bring detergent with you if possible in a small baggie. That saves time and it's convenient. And if you're looking to use a laundromat, be sure to keep your eye on your clothes so someone doesn't take them by mistake. Today's independent destination is Travel Independent Spectrum, Level 2. And in this one, a summary of what is Level 2, it's things like Airbnb, US, state to state, national parks, motorhome, multiple stops. So moderate travel is Level 2. And it's not strenuous. It's a healthy dose of new activities. So instead of thinking about staying with a friend or family member like in Level 1, you're now thinking about a grander adventure, perhaps by yourself. You are going to wander, to explore, and to experience things. Be ready for a slightly different experience than that first level, but without any fear of the unknown. You'll visit a nearby state, a one-flight away trip, or a 200-mile car trip where you will stay overnight, at least 1 or 2 days on the road. If you can stretch longer, you should. Some of the places you will visit when you do this trip include public transportation in that region, such as the train, bus, or trolley. See if there's a zoo and spend a few hours exploring that. Go to a park and walk the perimeter. Find a shopping center and explore some new stores that you've never seen before. Try a new food item like Thai food from the local Asian food court. To research this Level 2 in advance, you'll need to plan your trip a bit. So visit the local AAA office, contact a travel professional, or book your own flight on the airline. You can do this because you're at Level 2 already. National parks are mostly Level 2, and we'll be talking more about them and why they are attractive to independent travelers like you and I. So visit them because they're not to be missed as the USA's national heritage. It's one reason why this country is so special. And even if you're not a native, you will love America more after visiting. Now for today's mistake, timeshares. Breathe. Overall, they are a mistake. If you own one, you're likely trying to sell it. If you're thinking of buying one, think twice. I did not purchase a timeshare, but I do own one as it was, quote, given, unquote, to me. However, when it was given, the fees were only a couple of $100s a year. Now, the fees are over $1,000 a year. Plus, the cost to exchange is over $200 more. And everything costs more when you own a timeshare. Even the fine print seems to cost more. So if you're thinking yes, think again. I spend about 10 hours each time I try to figure out how to book a week. That 10 hours could be better spent reading a good book instead of getting disappointed over and over. Today's travel advice: flexibility will go far. So be flexible with your travel dates and types of accommodations. You can do some planning for your trip, but if you build in some leeway in the event you need to change plans, that's ideal. For example, I was just offered a trip to meet a friend, so now I must change my plans and move things up a day. I can do that, and so can you. Today, I want to bring meaning for your travel. If you want to know more, just search Dr. Mary Travelbest, and you'll find me everywhere on the web. Please send me your travel questions so I can help you and others too, and let me know what's on your bucket list.
What's on your travel bucket list? Tell the doctor and her team of women who travel the world seeking the very best. Dr. Travelbest, that is.